Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your name on Google account. So firstly open Chrome browser, then click on your profile icon. In here click on manage your Google account. Now click on personal info. So you will find your profile. Here is the name. So click here. Now change your name. You can change your first and last name both. Now scroll down and click on save. Your change might take a while to show everywhere. Now refresh this page and to confirm your name is changed or not, click on this profile icon. So now as we can see, name on this Google account is changed. That's it. So by this quick and very easy method, we can change name on Google account. Thanks for watching.